Everyone, welcome back, and let's talk about credit improvement. If you haven't watched my last video on the minimum required credit scores for a conventional loan, please do so and then jump back in. So let's get into credit improvements. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys 3 fundamentals and 3 hacks on how to improve your credit. Fundamental number 1, make your payments on time. I mean, that's pretty simple. Fundamental number 2, keep your credit card utilization under 20%. So, for example, if you have a credit limit of $1,000, make sure your balance is under $200. Fundamental number 3, extend your credit history. The longer you have your credit open, the higher your credit score will be. So hack number 1, call your credit card company and increase your credit limit. Increasing your credit limit will decrease your credit card utilization. For example, that $1,000 card with a $200 balance can now be a $2,000 limit with a $200 balance, so your credit card utilization goes from 20% to 10%. Hack number 2, know the dates that your creditors report to the credit bureaus. This will allow you to pay your credit cards off right beforehand, which will increase your credit score because of the low utilization. My Visa reports on the 15th of the month. So because I know that, since I checked on Credit Karma what day they report, I pay everything off on the 10th, and when they do report on the 15th, my credit score goes up. Hack number 3, piggyback off someone else's good credit standing. Jump on somebody else's credit card as a joint user. By doing so, this will reflect their good credit standing on your profile. Again, be sure that their credit card is in good standing, because if it's not, that bad standing will also reflect on your profile. Guys, I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, please let us know.